What is going on, guys? This video contains smoking. This is my tutorial on my how to guess a card video. I did a video how to guess a card. I was told I should probably do tutorials too as well. I'm that type of guy that I'm probably gonna be doing magic tutorials whenever I learn a new trick and I learn it well. I'll do it, perform it, and I'll do a tutorial on it. I'm learning card magic lately. It's a lot of fun. I recommend that. But I recommend my ball trick first though. That'll give you the confidence needed to learn card magic. If you know where the ball trick came from and stuff like that. This is my how to guess any card. You're gonna ask someone to pick a card. Pick a card. Let's say they choose. I'm gonna turn off OBS. I'm gonna minimize OBS Studio first, guys. Alright, there's nothing on screen now. And there's no mirrors. Let's say they choose this card. Let's say they choose this card. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna feel it up for a while. You get to know it. You get to feel it out. Feel the textures. The solidity. Then I'll tell you that it's the 3 of hearts. The 3 of hearts. I'll say I'll feel like it's the 3 of hearts. Yes, I was right, guys. I'll be showing you how to do that. You could just, there's no mirrors or anything like that. Well, I did it without mirrors or anything like that. I'll show you how to do it. Alright guys, I'm back. You're gonna get someone to choose a card. Let's say they choose this card. You're not gonna look at it. You're just gonna tell them to look at it and take note of what it is. And then you're gonna say, I'm gonna feel it out. And you're gonna feel it without looking at the card. That's just for show. You're gonna say, that's how I know. Or I'm gonna feel it out. That's how I could feel it out. That's how I know. And then you're gonna tilt it. You're gonna use your hand like this. And you're gonna go like that. Bend it a bit. And then you're gonna sneak a peek. As you bend it, you could see it from here. From right here to there. For your eye. You're about to do it slowly. slowly, and then you can see what it is. It'll look natural the more you practice it. This is how you practice it. You just get a card and just do that. Practice looking at it. Practice looking at it. The more you do it, the better you'll get. So once you see what it is and take note of it, you can say, I'm guessing it's the 4 of spades. The 4 of spades. Because you'll know what it is. You'll know what it is. You just do that. Take a look at it. Practice it. It looks really nice. Very unnoticeable, I noticed. You could do it twice if you want. You go 1 and 2. That's my little add-on. You could do it 2 times if you want. But if you get good enough to do it just once, 2 times, you could do it 2 times. That's my little add-on for beginners, actually. You could do it 2 times. Make it look natural. If you get good enough to do it just 1 time, then you could do that. But you could do it a couple times to get a good look at it. Get a real good look at it. Then you'll just guess you'll tell them what the card is. Let's go over it again. You're going to get them to choose a card. Let's say they choose this one. You're going to say, I'm going to feel it out. I'm going to feel it out. I'm going to feel it for a while. That's how I'll know what it is. And then you'll keep feeling it. And then you'll do your little thing here. To take a look at it. And then you're going to say, it's the 6 of Hearts. You're going to say it's the 6 of Hearts. Or you're going to say whatever card you see, whatever card you see there, when you take a look at it, when you bend it like that, you'll see it with your eye here. And that's how you'll know what the card is. You could just you could do the trick as many times as you want, as long as you're good enough. That's all, guys. That's all you have to do for that trick. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.